Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to do the prefix, which is a part of week 3 work, and this topic is already in your English book. Now the objectives today is we're going to define prefix, list down the examples, differentiate between inter and dis, add prefixes to the words to change the meanings. Now the resources that I'm going to use today is images, YouTube video, and your topic is actually taken from the textbook, page number 16. Now what is a prefix or the prefixes? Well, a prefix is an affix. It means an add-on which is placed before the stamp of a word. Adding it to the beginning of one word changes it into another word. For examples, when the prefix an is added to the word happy, it creates the word unhappy. So there are a few examples of prefix. Sub, it means under. He has never seen a blue submarine in my life. Post, postgraduate. I will do my postgraduate work at London University. Auto means self. Do you drive a manual or automatic car? Un means not. Her attitude are unfriendly. Semi means half. Go to play in the semi-final and the final is a dream for me. Miss means wrong or wrongly. I'm sorry, but you misunderstood me. Dis means not or opposite of. Your behavior was disgraceful. Re means again. Try, where possible, to reuse paper. Ex means former or old. His ex-wife was supposed to meet you at friend's home. Pre means before. She starts preschool this fall. Now, the two prefixes of which we're going to work today is inter and des. Now, the prefix inter means between or among. For example, if the word is national, and if we use the prefix in front of it, it would be international. Dis, the word dis means not. For example, integrate, disintegrate. Now, some more examples of the word prefix. Inter, interact, intercom, interest, interval, intercept, interface, interfere, interject, interrupt, intervene, interview, intercity. And some examples of this: discourage, connect, disconnect, order, disorder, miss, dismiss. Now let's come to the recap. Well, we have read about the definition that it is actually an add-on which we used to put at the start of a word, or you can say a stamp of a word to change its meaning. And we have read about the two prefixes. One is the inter and the other is dis. Inter means between and among, and dis means not. And we have read about a few examples as well. So the written task is you have there's a part C on your book, and add prefixes to the following words to change their meanings, and you have to do this work on your book. For instance, this, and when you're going to put this, how it's going to change, and then you have to use them in your sentences as well. Like you're going to use this with like, it will make dislike, and what will be the sentence of dislike. That's all.